In Texas, the heat is relentless, and your air conditioner should be too. An efficient HVAC system is essential for maintaining comfort, improving air quality, and reducing energy consumption during the hottest months. At Tempo Air, we specialize in keeping your systems in optimal condition. Every inspection is an investment in performance, durability, and your peace of mind. Preparation for the heat is crucial. Efficiency isn't a coincidence. It results from professional maintenance. Trust Tempo Air, the team that understands Texas weather and knows how to handle it.